Okay, final thing we're going to do today is what we call accidentals in music, and accidentals are your sharps and flats. Okay, so we've got a sharp symbol, which looks like hashtag. We've got the flat, which looks like little lowercase b, and finally we've got the natural, which looks like that. Okay, the sharp causes notes to go up a semitone. Flat does the opposite, note goes down a semitone. And a natural symbol cancels out previous sharps and flats. Okay, so if you see that symbol in front of a note, like that, means whatever that note is no longer that note, it's been sharpened, it's gone up a semitone. So if that was an F, it's no longer an F, it's an F sharp. Okay, this is what sharps and flat symbols do. So if we go back to the piano, just quickly, remember we've got the notes E and F, semitone apart, there is no note in between. Okay, you can see I've got a little sticker there that says E flat on the left, indicating this black note is an E flat. I've got a little F sharp on the sticker on the F key, indicating this black note here is F sharp. There is no F flat, there is no E sharp. It would be in the middle there, but there's not. Okay, it's very rare will you get an E sharp or an F flat, but you don't need to know about that just yet. Let's go to a tone where we've got C and D. We've got a black key in the middle. That black key is either C sharp, depending on whether or not you've got a sharp symbol in front of a C, or it's a D flat if you've got a D flat or a flat symbol in front of this D. Okay, so it can be either C sharp or D flat. This can be D sharp or E flat. This one, F sharp or G flat, G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat. Okay, the sharps and flats are generally your black keys on the keyboard or the piano. Sometimes the white keys, but don't worry about that just yet. Okay, so we're going to do some exercises now. I'm going to write out a passage of music, and I'm going to put some sharps or flats or naturals in there, and I want you to just write in the notes that I'm indicating. Okay, so remember we're in the treble clef, so you need to remember how to work out notes in the treble clef. Okay, what is this note here? There's a bar line, because we're in the end of 2/4. There's a bar line, because we're at the end of 2/4. So I want you to work out this note here, and these last two notes here. So I've just put boxes. I just want you to write in and tell me what are these 4 different notes. Okay, now exercise number 2, you'll see we're in 3/4. Again, I'll write out passage of music, and I want you to tell me what certain notes are. Okay, I want you to tell me what is this note here. Second note, third note, this note here, the first note of this bar, and this note here, so these 4 notes. Again, write down what are those 4 notes. Okay, let's do one final one. Okay, and it will tell me what these notes are. So we're in treble clef still. We're in 4/4. As you can see, that's 4/4 at the start there. I've got 4. I'm going to make sure that's really clear. These are quavers, not semiquavers. Okay, so I've got 4 quavers there at the start. Crotch it. Okay, I want you to tell me what are these notes. So I've got this one at the start, first note, third note, this note here, this note here, quite a few more in this one, this note, and finally this note. So 6 notes, what are they? Okay, one final thing about accidentals, which I didn't tell you just then because I wanted to see how you'd get on without me telling you. Okay, so still on accidentals, is that the symbols, whether it's a sharp or a flat or a natural, all of them will last until the end of the bar. It's meant to be the. Until the end of the bar, unless another symbol comes in to cancel it out. Okay, so these all last until your end of the bar, unless another one of these symbols cancels out the previous one. So for example, okay, let's go back to our state of music. Let's go back to that last piece I gave you, where I gave you this note here, followed by this one, okay, and just make it really clear these are quavers. Okay, we start off with our first note, has got a flat symbol in front of it there. So that note, no my notes and spaces, I know that's an E flat. Okay, I then know the following note after it is a C. This note after it is not an E, because that flat symbol still counts. So that flat symbol will carry on for every note in this space. So it's not an E, it's an E flat. Got another C. I think I then had maybe, I can't remember what I had. Let's go with this one here. D. D sharp, D sharp, and E flat are exactly the same note. They're either written as D sharp or as E flat, but they sound exactly the same. This is called enharmonic, really fancy word. Just means when you've got 2 different names for the same note. We then get to the end of our bar, because we're in 4/4, I should have said. That's the end of our bar. If I then have another note here, not E flat, because we've got to the end of our bar. So this flat symbol has stopped applying, and it's now just a regular E. I could, if I really wanted to, put a natural symbol in first to make it really clear to the person playing it, but because I've got a bar line, I don't have to. Okay, if I was to go, for example, E, E flat. Now if I want that to be an E, I have to put a natural symbol there, okay? Because the symbols apply the whole way through the bar and then they stop applying, but they stop applying also if something cancels it out like a natural symbol, okay? So these are accidentals. With all 4 exercises from today that we've done on risks, on dotted notes, on semitones and tones, and on accidentals, I want you to make sure that you have been going through it with me, writing stuff down, and doing any exercise I've asked you to. Then take a photo of it and either upload it to Microsoft Forms or email me those photos.